Thanks to technology, TxDOT has improved the way it monitors roadways. This new and enhanced road condition data is the basis for a major maintenance project conducted by researchers at the University of Texas. It's designed to help TxDOT be more accurate in determining and predicting maintenance needs.
So they need to predict what's the estimated payment condition in the next year or 2 or 3 or 4. The key is to predict on an accurate manner and to minimize the uncertainty of these predictions.
This project was designed to take the payment data and make updates of the payment prediction models. So that way we have a more accurate prediction of the future payment conditions, and so we can better allocate the money, limited money, to the right sections and the right time to get most cost-effective results.
The data analysis techniques have evolved enormously in the past 10-20 years. So we were able to use data mining techniques, very advanced statistical models, and artificial intelligence tools as well to develop our models. And one of the advantage of these new models that we develop is that in some cases for some payments, we managed to reduce this uncertainty.
Now we have our what we call automated 3D laser technology equipped vehicles and drive down the road at highway speed and collect the data continuously.
On the one hand, we have better data quality. On the other hand, today, as compared with 10 years ago, there is many more advanced data analysis techniques that we could put our hands on. And that is why the models today can predict in a much more accurate way.
The new model versus old model, we see the improvement. But the system is a whole, and we need to consider not just the prediction models, we also need to consider another important piece, which is decision trees. So that work together to make recommendations.
We do hope that this project receives some further consideration and it's implemented because, as I say, the research is done, it has been paid off, it's finished. So now implementation could take a couple of years and check out how these new models perform relative to the old ones. But by looking at the data, by looking at the models, you can see that the predictions are more accurate and the potential for savings are there.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.